Hi, my name's Tara, I'm 42 and I'm a photographer. I think having great hair makes you feel more confident because people judge us on our hair. It's one of the first things you see. And if I have great hair, it means that I'm going to put more effort into my outfit, put more effort into my makeup, just to match the good hair. So my hair concerns are really the fact that my hair is quite dry, it's really coarse, and it can be super hard to manage. So my goals were really to find a product finally that can help me combat those things, that can put some moisture into it, that can make it easier for me to style and to make it softer, because sometimes it can be quite brittle to touch. It feels so soft now and it feels like a brand new head of hair and I can't stop touching it.